Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Gerald Tehekin, presenting the group 9. Now this afternoon we are going to have an illustration about the volcano eruption. Now I will do an activity which about the volcano eruption. But before we can do it, we should have an materials. There is the following materials. Number one is pod baking soda, vinegar, and the dishwashing liquid. First step, we must to place it a vinegar. And then next is dishwashing liquid. And the last, but not the least, is the food coloring. Now, now this after now this time you will see how it is being erupt. Watch it now. Maybe it is lacking. Now you will see how it is being
Wait for that.
erupt. Wait for a while. Now it is coming. Coming. It is flowing now. Wait for a while now. See what's happened. Then now we recognize how it is being erupt. You see that it is flowing.